This is a 380-volt power supply. These are three three-phase lines L1, L2, L3. This is the ground wire. This is the I/O communication line between the welding machine and the robot body. This is the communication box between the welding machine and the robot. This is connected by a network cable, and the other end is connected to the electrical cabinet. This is the positive pole of the welder. Connect to robot yellow socket. This is the negative terminal connected to the workbench. This is the power cord of the control cabinet. These are the two lines of the appointment box. These two are the coding line and the power line. Connect to the socket on the back of the robot. This is the wiring of the teach pendant. This is the wire feed tray, which can be assembled with welding wire. Connect to wire feeder. Open like this. Pass the welding wire through and close it. Rotation changes pressure. Carbon steel can adjust the pressure to 4. Wire feed capacitors are given to our customers. This is the I/O port of the main body, which is connected to the I/O port of the base. There are 12 cores in total, 2 of which are anti-collision. This is the link to the aspirate all sockets.